Hey there, adventurers! Hey, fellow travel enthusiasts! Welcome back to the Tell Me More Hub channel, where we share information about all the topics that interest people today. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, go ahead and do so now. Today, we're hitting the trails with some trusty trekking poles. These bad boys can make your hikes easier, safer, and a whole lot more enjoyable. So grab your poles and let's get trekking. Tip number 1. Adjust the length of your poles. When walking on flat ground, your elbows should be at a 90-degree angle. For uphill climbs, shorten the poles a bit, and for downhill descents, lengthen them. This helps maintain balance and reduces strain on your knees. Tip 2. Use the straps. Slip your hand up through the strap and then grasp the handle. This way, the strap takes some of the pressure off your hands and wrists, giving you a more comfortable hike. Tip 3. Plant the poles properly. Place the pole tip slightly ahead of you and push down as you step forward. Keep a rhythm and let the poles help propel you forward. It's like having an extra pair of legs. Tip 4. Use the poles for stability. When crossing tricky terrain like streams or rocky paths, plant both poles firmly for extra support. They can help you maintain balance and prevent slips and falls. Tip 5. Keep a relaxed grip. You don't need to hold the poles with a death grip. Keep your hands relaxed to avoid fatigue and let the straps do the work. Tip 6. Be mindful of the tips. Trekking poles often come with different tips for different terrains. Use rubber tips for rocky surfaces and carbide tips for dirt and ice. This ensures you have the best traction for your hike. Tip 7. Store them correctly. When you're done with your hike, collapse the poles and store them in your backpack. This protects them from damage and makes them easy to carry. Now, let's talk about what to consider when using trekking poles. First, choose the right poles for your height and the type of hiking you'll be doing. Second, consider the weight and material of the poles. Lightweight poles are great for long hikes. And third, make sure the handles are comfortable and the straps are adjustable. So who should use trekking poles? The answer is everyone. Whether you're a beginner looking for extra support, a seasoned hiker wanting to reduce joint stress, or someone tackling challenging trails, trekking poles are a fantastic addition to your gear. And there you have it, folks. 7 top tips for using hiking trekking poles, plus some handy considerations. Give them a try on your next hike and feel the difference. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more outdoor tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy hiking!